Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk a little bit about adjectives. As we get ready to write our story concerning our animal, we want to make sure we're using adjectives to help tell more about the animal. Adjectives help us to describe the noun that we're writing about. It helps us to paint a better picture of what it looks like. Because if I just say the cat, okay, that's not very much. But if I say the big cat, that explains a little bit more what the cat might look like. Okay. If I say the big black cat, that tells me the color that it is, black. So adjectives help us to paint a better picture of what we're talking about. Okay. When I talk about an adjective, might tell me how many. It might be specific and say the number, like one. But it can also say like few. That means or many. So I'm going to put many. We want to use our words to help the reader to picture it in their head. That's what an adjective does. It helps to picture it better so that they can see it and picture it. What does it look like? What is it? So that they can better see it. Okay? How something feels. I might say fuzzy. The fuzzy blanket. That helps me to picture what I'm talking about, how something looks. In our story, if you get a chance to read The Fantastic Mr. Fox, one of it talks about how does it look? They said he looked mean. So something could be mean. Okay. How something behaves. I'm having a hard time thinking right now what word I want to put there. Behaves. Um, Let me think about it. Okay. The next one is how something sounds. I could say loud, the loud bang. So when I talk about adjectives, I want to paint a picture for the reader so that they can put that in their head and be able to see exactly what I'm trying to describe for them. As writers, we want to use adjectives so that our readers can do that they're able to absolutely picture that this is the one I'm talking about. All right, this is the one that I want you to see. When I think about the color, I can say all different colors, red, the size, huge, how many, few. Again, all of these are helping the reader to better picture what I'm talking about. So, the job of an adjective is to describe or tell more about the noun that I am writing about. So, as you are writing about your animal, I want you to make sure you're thinking, can I add adjectives to paint a better picture for the reader? Can I tell what color they are? Can I tell the size that they might be or how they feel? That those are things that are going to help you. I'll continue to think about the one about how something behaves. I have to think about that because I really think it could also be mean also here, like someone is behaving in um, I can think of like a cat. Sometimes we think of a cat being frisky, and that's how it's behaving. And when I think of that, it's moving all over the place is when I think of frisky. So took me a moment to get to that one. Sorry about that. So again, adjectives add to your writing. They help the reader to see and picture in their head exactly what you're talking about. So I want you to look to see, did you add some adjectives to your writing about your animal? Because I think that will help to paint a better picture for the people who are reading your story. All right, thanks. Have a great day.